Probably not, Django. The short, easy answer is there's a lot of volatility in the markets. A lot of volatility. A lot of uncertainty of the China-U.S. trade relations. Hence the sharp drop overnight. We dropped like a rock on Friday. Traded back up to 25,000, and then a drop like a rock yet again. We tapped into the new week opening gap that we created this week, but we haven't traded through it. So that's a nice draw. Or if we're bullish, get a market structure is a little bit bullish right now, but we actually have some LRLR building up, maybe to help push to the bottom of that new week opening gap. That's probably the draw right now. Unless we are told otherwise, in which case tons of draws above. Yeah, London highs, Asia highs, and insanely far away. I don't think we're going for those right now, but tons of unmitigated gaps above. Market's probably going to move.
Well, bro, it's just it updates very quickly. These. That's just the best way to put it.
I think this wants to come down. About 1 minute candle at first, gaps to the left, but I am too cautious to take it. Top loss would be only 30 or 40. Yeah.
You in the 2 minute short, Woodsy?
Nice one, Woodsy.
From up here? Good.
Yeah, we've broken the trend line, Woodsy, on EQ.
Nice little nice limousine candle for you, baby. Yeah, bro, what a fucking shit reaction it had at first. That would have made me panic. Now, there's two opportunities here, really. So I feel like this one's a little bit more of a gamble. I think the best one to take a bottom tick from would be here. Let's gotta put that lip pillow in, boy. You got a W? Nah. I was thinking about this, or the NWOG, but I didn't realize it was that close. Another 15-minute order block. I mean, this doesn't seem the worst. I'm gonna take it. Fuck it. But I'll probably get wrecked here. Yeah, well, I knew that one was a bit more of a gamble. You reckon EAs might want to come for 50% of this NWOG? You talking, Dustin?
Yeah, I reckon.
Oh.
No. I not going to try to catch the nice, but I think we're going to drop to 50% or more. Might even try to fill the gap. We're already here. It's going to make sense to, I think each quadrant, each quarter of this massive new week opening gap is going to be a point of resistance on both contracts.
This is a 1 hour, isn't it? Or is it this that is the 1 hour? Well, it doesn't really matter anyway.
The new week opening gap doesn't overlay perfectly with the 1 hour. I turn on my 1 hour fair value gaps. But maybe my indicators messed up.
Huh? What do you mean? No, I'm just looking at the 1 hour and we got a fair value up. Where's the 30-second Ds? Oh.
Kind of a breakout trade.
I was in like a rejection block.
But
I imagine we might want to test the top of the NYK and maybe come back down. Oh, just a continuation. Well, I mean, we swept a lot of liquidity here. Could create a 5-minute rejection block. Dropped 158 points since open.
yeah, I wanted to catch shorts. I just couldn't see anything. Was super comfortable with. Took some pre-market wins that I don't want to give back.
Oh. Got a 1 minute that inverse there, tapped into the 1 minute above, 2 minutes created, 3 minutes gonna probably be created. Watch this one play out. But I just, like if I was in this, like there's not a lot of breathing space, like I kind of got a de-risk. It'd be nice to see us come up to this and retest this at the top.
I think we're about to get a drop. Mid of the new week opening gap, maybe even
We
the
haven't.
lower part though.
Oh, it's 400 points away.
Yes. Looks like a big potential for a big continuation.
Okay, we
I
tapped
did
into.
not take a 30-second short though.
Took a 30-second here, Woodsy.
Nice, Woodsy. You're on fire, dude. I just want I don't want to get back my profits. Oh yeah, Woodsy.
Good man, Woodsy. What was
ES is about to get a pretty significant sweep.
the closes like here?
There it is. Oh, what did I think?
Oh, that's clean. Nice little 30-second, boys. Oh.
Hell yeah. Some good things happening here, gentlemen.
As long as my daddy.
Really should have had an alert set for 25,000. Got up. Oh, what the hell?
What the hell?
We hit that before I even went to bed last night. What a shame. Should have been watching.
Pablo said he's on holiday or something or some shit. Harvard. We're not far away from 50% of the MOG.
We're at a 15-minute gap almost to the bottom of it.
Is there multiple Disneylands in America? I thought there was only like one.
There's a Disneyland and a Disney World. I think Disney World is in Florida. Disneyland is in California. I don't know. I've been to the Florida one when I was young. Disneyland. So, yeah, same one. What do you got? Is that the week opening gap?
What are you marking out? I don't understand what the hourly, what the bottom of the hourly. I was thinking that. Trade completely through the NWOG.
Yeah, I think this market could dump a couple hundred more points. I don't think it's very. I mean, it could turn around at any moment. So don't throw on a short, but I don't think it would take much for this market to topple another couple hundred points. Not that it's going to stay there, but it'd be a big liquidity grab.
I'd rather us tap somewhere more prominent here. For example, the 50% point of the NWOG and then give us a reaction up. That's what I'd rather, but.
Something worth noting is bank earnings came out today. Let me check the headlines. But I don't think they were very strong, or well, JP Morgan beat expectations. Stocks down 1%. Yeah, today's a big day. We've got Powell speaking here in a few hours. Bank earnings came out sometime overnight or this morning.
Tapped into that 1 minute above. It's a nice little limousine. But boys, what I don't understand, if I click sell here, for some reason it will probably enter me into a position. And I don't know if it's because of this being tapped or some shit, but it's happened so many times using limit orders. It's like if it's within this range or upper, I have no idea. Yeah, but it's a limit order, so it would have to hit this price level to enter me into the sell. We're reacting off of the quarter of the NWOG. 25% of the NWOG. Inverse the 2 minute. Well, you could really just come up here. Everything's inverse to the upside apart from this 1 minute. Could jump in this trade.
We literally traded through the bottom of 15-minute and then went through it by like $1. But we respected the bottom of the 15-minute really well.
Anyone interested in longs?
Yeah, Jack. Case.
Yeah, we can trade into the 5 minute. That's too much. Yeah, fuck that. It retraces too much. We probably won't get an entry here, and then we'll trade up into the 5.
Hopefully we go to the top 5, but yeah, maybe not. Really nice draws above.
Anyone catch a 30-second? Woody's in a 30-second or some shit.
I think the 30-second was line.
Yes, tapped into this 1 minute here. About to get a 2 minute for the downside unless we close it up here. We close the 2 minute. Higher time frame inversion further gap looking cleaner. Thing is, we could short hope and we're going to inverse the hourly. It's like 6 a.m. for him, I think, right now. Could create a nice little W shape here, Dustin.
I like it to come down. Could be wrong. I don't think our bias is correct. But it's tough. Does order flow tell you anything?
I don't even have trade of it open.
No,
but you can kind of see what's going on here. A lot of sell contracts. That's why I was struggling to break this area. Yeah, but fill in the entire NWOG, bro. 270 points.
Holy shit. That's a lot.
Yeah. See, to me, if I was to take a W, this is like the most ideal looking W shape. It's not the most obvious looking, but we can't. Oh, fuck. Oh, what the fuck is going on? We couldn't break down below this low, and we're about to tap into the 5. This is like.
This is nice. One crazy range, though.
I'm gonna lose so much if this fails, and it's like the stop loss should really be down here. Yes, taps into the 5. Nice. Tap the top of the N-log. I will close this position early to secure some of my loss. Session highs.
That'd be nuts. I mean, it wouldn't be. Like a lot of things. With your first two beats. You'll want to try May 4. Just below the 4-hour low. Previous 4-hour low. Yeah, we're pretty aligned.
Be nice if we could come up. Doesn't want to inverse the 5. Need to see a big displacement kind of up.
This is hitting some points of resistance. Kind of where it broke out to the downside.
It'd be fucking fantastic if it hits that TP. Come on, fly, NQ. Fly. Fly for daddy.
My first two beats on the 5-7 move.
Just hit TP, please.
Dude, Skyler would be nuts. First TP hits. be awesome, and it's very possible.
Do not edge me like this. I'm out. Fucking hell. I hit 53,000, bro. I hit 53,000. My TP was just too high. Oh, that sucks.
Jeff, what do you think? You obviously hit your target.
Yeah, bro, I can't believe I got edge like that.
I kept it run. And what do you think about that?
Say that again, Dustin.
I kept a runner off my position. What do you think about that?
Well, you still got to run it on. Yeah, that's fine, bro. Just let this bitch run. We could easily come up to these equal highs.
I would hope so. We've got a really nice rolls above. Being manipulated down, went into the end log, took out all the nearby overnight liquidity.
I can't believe I got edged. Who followed and took this 1 minute then? I'm the GOAT, boys. I'm the GOAT. ES is rejected off the top of the NWOG.
I'm just glad you called out a W trade.
Bro, it makes so much sense because the thing is with the
nice,
bro, the
when
thing
they happen, they break out.
Because the thing is with the W like this, right? It's showing you order flow. So you don't even need to be using order flow. It's showing you the order flow. So we come down, create this low leg. We come back up. We test back into this leg up here. Can't break it. So okay, do we want to test this level down here? We test the level down here, and we can't even create a lower low. So if we created a lower low like this, I wouldn't like that. But because this level is now support, for us to then come up, it just makes it so much more probable for the trade to work correctly. Nice rejection off the top of the NWOG there as well.
Yeah, very nice.
It's a shame. It's a
15-minute candle. We retraced the old one a little bit. Now we've taken out the high end.
It's a shame.
15-minute gap above.
It's a shame my TP didn't get hit.
Oh, you took early.
Well, I trailed my stop to the top of the NWOG, so I would have actually lost even more.
Oh, I see.
So when I closed here, it was the best decision.
Gotta be careful right here. We just tapped into that 15-minute tick or so and rejected out of it. We have taken out the 15-minute highs previous candle. to reject off the level and hopefully retrace. I'd like to see us just pop higher until we find that next bit of liquidity. ES is close to being able to blow through some buy side.
585 was where I needed to have my TP.
Is that on 15 minutes? Is that yeah, how did you calculate that?
I didn't. It wasn't a liquidity sweep or anything like that. It was purely just what the account needed. So.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, you gotta run this calculation sometimes.
But that's, and I didn't use a fucking limit order. But if I used a limit order, when I was like here, what did I need? Yeah.
We're worrying about it. Don't beat yourself up.
Oh no, I don't care.
You gotta be just a few hundred away.
I can make an easy 400.
Don't fuck around now. Find out.
Nah, I don't give a shit. If it's tomorrow, it's tomorrow. Yeah, exactly, Django. What did I actually close with? $13.45 was it? 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5. Yeah, but GG's. Did anyone take the long with me? Yeah, you did, didn't you? Did you take the long? Who took the long? Did none of you take the long? Oh, Deez, you're such a pussy, bro. You lose. Like, I'm not even flaming you, but like, you can see a good trade, but you're so scared to pull the trigger, and the trades you call out work, but you didn't take it because I guess what was close to the 5 minute, but you just missed out on this move up.
Should keep creeping higher, but
Yeah, we was close to 50%.
I wouldn't just.
But bro,
I wouldn't slap all position.
how many is it per point in ES? It's how many points, and then Q 3.5.
ES is $50 a point versus 20, so 2.5.
2.5.
The math you're trying to work, or
yeah. So
but then you have to take into account that NQ is 4x the size, 4 times the size of ES in dollars.
No, but I'm just trying to get a comparison because that's 20 points away, and on ES, 20 points is fucking a lot. So ES is 20 points away from 50%, and it put you away from taking the long. Reverse to 1 minute. 3 minutes still open. 4 minute closes on this candle, and the 5 minute. 5 minutes a bit awkward. Like this wouldn't give me even if the 5 minute inverse is here, this wouldn't give me strong context. But I'd hope to see it fly up. If it inverses with strong displacement, then yeah, of course. But if the 5 minute inversion's weak, it won't give me like strong context. Because like we're quite wicky up here. Obviously we're trading into a lot of power. So of course it's going to be difficult for us to break this.
We've got to want that liquidity. How many times are we going to put in a high here?
$15 got 5 minutes. 6 minutes, sorry. What I need, boys, what I need. And boys, if you weren't here, Apex this quarter they're releasing a direct to funded. I don't know exactly when, but they're releasing a direct to funded. Is fallopian in there? Yeah, fallopian. Oh, yeah. Fallopian alpha futures is the same as Top Step, right? With the road to live, um, 5 payouts, blah 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 blah. But you know, like with Top Step, they use the other 50% as your drawdown. What Alpha does is they pay you that other 50% of your balance over, like, it's a monthly salary. So let's say you had fucking, I don't know, 5K. I'm pretty sure they pay you it monthly. So over 12 months. I might be wrong, but they don't use that as your drawdown. You get that money, and then they put in 5K to your drawdown, and they say that you also should put 5K in. But I don't know how that works. That's what I forgot. Let me ask him right now. That's very similar to Top Step, like very similar. And I think they're increasing their accounts to 5 accounts you can have rather than 3. And then they consolidate it into one account. Chum bucket prop firm. Bro, yeah, that's probably what, bro. Their trailing drawdown is probably like their money making thing. But like, if you can get over that, you can make so much money. So like, with the difference of alpha futures, right? So like, let's look at this. Where is it? There was some shit somewhere. No, trade of the week, no. Payout proof.
Sorry, Chad. Sorry to distract, but still trying to manage this long, and I've got a feeling we could trade 70 retracement. I haven't listened through that. What's your crystal ball saying? I think we ultimately still want to come back up, without a strong displacement.
I hope so, but
Retracement.
I'm not really.
30 seconds doesn't give me very much confidence.
But look at the difference. So even if you 4 times that 40k that guy made, 40, 80, 12, 160, 160k, and then look at Apex. Highest paid person in September was 432 grand. But there's so much money. You can make so much money with Apex. So much money. Nice, Dustin.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Coming straight up to those equal highs. About to attack this end dog at the top.
That was tough to sit through because yeah, market can move fast. Could have shot down to my break even with no issues. Alright, so we've got a bearish S&T. If we keep pushing, my TP is just below the 4-hour high, 663. I didn't expect to almost get out of drawdown on this get from the trade merchants today. Out of the trail.
What would you say the best thing to do with a live account is? Is it the best thing? Is it literally just where there's no consistency rule and stuff? Is the best thing to do is just full port it? I think it is, because if it blows, then so be it. You can go back to having another 5 accounts.
What are you talking about?
When you get moved to live, because you get consolidated into one account. If you have 5, you get consolidated into one account. So ultimately,
yeah, I would disagree, Jack. I wouldn't in any situation. I don't think full porting is the right strategy because if you play it out long term, you'll get to the point where you can scale the account to full port. I think that's the ultimate goal. And if I'm sorry, I've just done so much damage to myself and to my process and setbacks by being in a position to full port, and I just do it. And then, it ultimately brings a lot more pain than good. We're not going to win as traders with a single trade or a windfall.
Thing is, to me, I prefer trading multiple accounts rather than one.
Though. Basically Top Step's not for you, but yeah, if you've got the one account.
No, Alpha's the same. They're like mirrored. What's take profit like? You can have what? How many accounts with take profit can you have? 5. And then how many payouts is it? 5. Yeah. And then they move you to live.
It's they have 2 ways. One is at their discretion, where if you have
$10,000 day, right?
Well, that's the other way. One way is multiple payouts with consistent payouts, and maybe it's 5. They flag you and take a look at your account. Or if you have a $10,000 day, they'll move you to live or to Pro Plus.
Okay. Then all your accounts get consolidated, right?
No.
You keep the 5 accounts?
Still on 5. Yes.
On live? Damn. Damn.
Yeah, with these 150Ks, that'll be 75,000. Sorry, 75 minis that I have access to, which is more than I will be able to scale up to. Yeah, that's kind of cool. But I hope to someday take a 75 mini trade because I'm able to scale these far enough. I think I'll be able to. I'm doing very well on consistency. Starting small.
Okay, so the pro account is real time trading and higher profits. Does Take Profit Trader have a Discord?
They do on that event. I moved my take profit up to 711 below 15-minute, but it got a bunch of liquidity. And if we hit that, I'll actually be able to take out a take the pay off that. But I'm going to I'll manage out of this position if there's a nice short setup or something. Might get shaken out.
You wish the same amount if it was 5 because the live is set up for that. You're not wrong, yeah. You're bang on.
Big liquidity sweep on the queue. I think there's more of a sweep. I mean, there's certainly more of a sweep after. Even if it's $1.10, I'm fucking taking it. I've watched them come and go too many times without taking them. Nice work, Woodsy. Nice job.
3W today. PA so back. Yes. Nice one, Z.
15-minute course. Come on, man.
Oh yeah, we inverse at 15. Traded to the end of. ES is tapped at 15 above. ES isn't far from London highs.
I hope we get a strong closing 15-minute candle. Be huge. Yeah, I might have to target London highs. And we might even go to Asia lows today. I am officially in the money.
I nearly goofed then.
I've just activated these pro accounts. I did not expect to get through the trailing threshold this morning.
Vesta 1 tapped into the 3. We out of the trailing drawdown already?
Yeah.
You're on fire, Dustino. Ooh. Come give me a hug. Shitty little scumbag app.
I think this, yeah, I think we're going for London highs. ES is almost there.
I wonder what Fed Power's going to say.
Yeah. Yeah, Tanner, I don't think it's going to give you a chance to get in. Maybe after ES sweeps, and then from there, you know, who knows when we get.
Well, we've actually just tapped into that rejection block that we respected heavily yesterday. Or is it today? No, today. Never mind, sorry. Bad comms, bad comms. That's what I mean, Harvard, yeah. I'm happy to kind of just have to miss this trade. Although I just need $400.
Port of that W shape would only be up like, I don't know, $100,000.
What do you mean take it on ES? Yeah, what's that? $150? I'm happy to just miss it, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it. I mean, this rejection block could be fucking clean.
Yes, because London highs. Well, we blew through what my TP was going to be.
Nice Tango. We're in this end dog as well. 4 minute respected it.
Crazy to say, but I wouldn't be surprised if we take London highs in this next minute. Yeah, that was crazy misses. 15-minute closes here. We are pushing into a 15-minute, and London highs are just below the midpoint of that 15-minute. This is the 15-minute close we were looking for. See a retracement on the next 15-minute candle, and then maybe continue to move higher. Other unmitigated about.
We're at the top of the end log. If you're in longs, I'd manage your position right now. See you later, Tango. You kind of want to.
Which end log?
You kind of want to see us just tap the edge of this and disappear.
The top of what end log?
Pardon?
The top of what end log?
No. 9th of the 29th of the 9th. Oh, that sucks. That limit order from the 15-minute rejection block that I was eyeing up would have played out. Wait, did I even? No, it's not even anything. Never mind. This ain't bad. Get a nice little retracement back down. Tapped into this 5-minute and this 3-minute. Get along up to London highs. No, Algo, I'm just aping.
Top of the 5-minute below. I don't know if you said that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we took that. I got that. Oh god, I don't know if you can hear me. But yeah, we took the well, I took the long, Dustin took the long, and I don't know if anyone else took the long. Woodsy's had like 3 W's. Harvard's had W.
But you probably would have taken a long had he not already been straight on this.
Yeah, for sure. 9. It is actually appropriate for us to come up and take London and then dump. This new day opening gap is so fucking big.
The previous day made is right above London. Just further context. And that previous day made it looks to be half 15-minute gap. So I guess it kind of makes sense that we'd stall out in this area.
I wish this 1 minute was a bit bigger.
Yeah, like triple relative equal highs on ES 5-minute. Really struggling to push highs, but I still think there are draws above.
Displacement.
There's a really nice flat line on the ES chart, ES 5-minute chart, about 10 points above. In line with us taking London on Q.
Tapped into that in the 2 minute.
US, the previous day made is at 67175, 672, call it. NQ, the previous day mid is 753. Previous week mid is just above on both contracts. So a lot of points of resistance here. Also, what's that voice, Jack?
Sorry, notifications. No.
If he is, I don't know what it sounds. Candy Crush with hats. Sounds like it.
No, I was trying to change my email address. And then I'm making love, so come give me a hug. We're in this 15-minute order block as well. I really just want to whack along on. Oh, he took this as well. Wait, what? This is short?
And I get a call today because I'm really tripping. And
Alright, brother. You guys want to jump on mic? You. Damn, so that guy was literally our liquidity.
Why would he even want to go short there, though?
Yeah, for real.
He's had over 80 grand in payouts as well. Is he shown proof? Yeah, he's shown proof. He's legit him.
but he showed up the W shape at first.
Yeah.
Someone doesn't know what he's on about. And then he was like, right, and then we're all the way back at the top of the range, so what the fuck's going on here?
I should reach out and see if he wants to join my private one-on-one mentorship.
Yeah.
Yeah. He don't believe in ICT though, so. I said to him, how the fuck, I was like, I took a lot of like EMA and just price action in general and just EMA, flag breaks, momentum, I guess. I was saying to him like an SMT, he was like, what the fuck's an SMT?
No way.
What the hell's an SMT?
What the helly?
But yeah, it's legit. Trades the sort of same way that fucking Patrick Whelan trades.
Probably why he doesn't believe in ICT then.
Fucking keep at it there, nothing else.
Bro, I want to fucking just get this 400, bro.
Patience, young one.
I know. I know.
Like, you've already got what you wanted to do. The good price actions looks like it's running out now. Patient, bro. No rush.
So weird. One